A side-discharge mower skips the bag, ejecting clippings sideways for non-stop mowing, perfect for large lawns. The clippings decompose naturally to feed your soil. Top models vary by power, gas or electric, drive, push or self-propelled, and often offer 3-in-1 versatility for mulching or bagging. Choose based on your lawn's size and terrain. Starting at number 1. SENIX LSSG M9 21-inch gas lawn mower. The SENIX LSSG M9 is a rugged 21-inch self-propelled mower built for small to medium yards, powered by a reliable Briggs & Stratton 140 cubic centimeters engine that delivers long life, low vibration, and easy starting with prime and pull. Its versatile 3-in-1 steel deck lets you bag, mulch, or side-discharge clippings, so you can mow non-stop without constantly stopping to empty a bag, and the included 16-gallon bagger covers you when collection is needed. 6-position dual lever height adjustment, ranging from 1.25 to 3.75 inches, pairs with 8-inch front and 11-inch rear wheels to give you a precise cut and smooth maneuverability over rough or uneven terrain. With single-speed front-wheel drive doing the pushing, engine oil and side chute included, and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind, this mower is ready to roll straight out of the box. Number 2. EGO Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. The EGO Power Plus LM2135SP is a cordless, self-propelled 21-inch mower that brings gas-rivaling performance to battery power, thanks to its select cut multi-blade system and high-efficiency brushless motor. With touch drive technology, you control the self-propel speed, 0.9 to 3.1 miles per hour, right from the handle, while the included 56V 7.5Ah arc lithium battery delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime and recharges in just 60 minutes with the rapid charger. 7 cutting heights, 1.5 to 4 inches, and 3-in-1 functionality for mulching, bagging, or side discharge give you total flexibility, while push-button start and bright LED headlights make mowing effortless, even in low light. All in a 55-pound package that's ready to go without gas, oil, or fumes. Number 3. EGO Power Plus Electric Lawn Mower. The EGO Power Plus LM2134SP2 is a cordless, self-propelled 21-inch mower engineered for extended runtime and premium performance, bundling two 56V 6.0Ah arc lithium batteries that deliver up to 100 minutes of mowing on a single charge, plenty for larger yards. Its select cut multi-blade system and high-efficiency brushless motor provide gas-equivalent cutting power with less vibration and lifelong durability, while touch drive technology lets you dial and self-propel speeds from 0.9 to 3.1 miles per hour right from the handle. 8 cutting height positions, ranging from 1 to 4 inches, give you finer control over grass length, and the 3-in-1 functionality lets you mulch, bag, or side discharge clippings as needed. Add in push-button start, bright LED headlights for dusk mowing, and the included rapid charger, and you get a quiet, fume-free mower that's ready to tackle extended sessions without missing a beat. Number 4. SENIX 144 cubic centimeters gas lawn mower. The SENIX LSPGL5 is a 20-inch gas push mower built for reliable, no-fuss performance in small to medium yards, powered by a fuel-efficient 144 cubic centimeters 4-cycle OHV engine that runs quieter and delivers 20 to 30% better fuel economy than 2-stroke models. Its side-discharge design keeps clippings flying out as you go, while 5 height adjustment positions from 1.25 to 3.75 inches let you dial in the perfect cut for any grass condition. Front and rear 7-inch wheels provide smooth maneuverability over rough terrain and gentle slopes up to 15 degrees, and the heavy-duty steel deck resists corrosion and wear for long-term durability. At just 43.4 pounds with easy access blade and air filter maintenance, plus a 2-year warranty, this mower offers a straightforward, low-maintenance option for homeowners who prefer gas power without the extra weight or cost of self-propulsion. Number 5. Greenworks 40V 21-inch self-propelled cordless lawn mower. The Greenworks 40V 21-inch self-propelled mower delivers quiet, fume-free power with its efficient brushless motor, running 3 times quieter than gas, while the included 5.0Ah battery and rapid charger get you started right out of the box. Rear-wheel drive with variable speed control gives you excellent traction and effortless maneuvering across any terrain, and the durable 21-inch steel deck handles lawns of all sizes with a true 4-in-1 system that lets you mulch, bag, side discharge, or even tackle heavy leaf pickup with turbo mode. Bright LED headlights extend your mowing window into early mornings or late evenings, and since the battery works with over 75 Greenworks 40V tools, you're not just buying a mower, you're joining a versatile cordless ecosystem backed by a 3-year tool and battery warranty.